How you doing, guys? This is Sean Foster, C Mods here, and I'm just going to go over real quick on installing the grommet and the fitting in the inlet pipe. You saw in the video before, I just drilled this hole here and just disregarded all the other holes. Those were other examples and practice holes. But the hole's drilled. I chased this and cleaned up the edges on this one here, cleaned it out. And you're going to use the supplied grease that I send you there, and you just kind of put a little bit around the edges here and on the inside as well. And what that's going to do is going to help this grommet seat. And basically, you're going to see I got you're going to get two grommets. You're going to get a grommet with a wide channel and a grommet with a narrow channel. And on the S550s or 15 to 20 Mustangs, because it has a double firewall, I like to have them use this wide channel in the firewall and then use this the narrow channel here in the inlet pipe, whether it be the elbow or whether it be in the MAF housing area. This fits really well, and you're going to use the same drill bit to drill the firewall and the inlet, and these grommets are the same size inside. So it's just a groove that's the difference here. So basically, you put the grommet on, and once you kind of grease the edges there, it's gonna pop right in and seat really well. You want to make sure it's seated on the inside, and the grease is going to help it seat. Then you put a little bit more grease on the inside here. Like I said, that's the stuff I sent you guys. And now, depending on the application, you may have a 90 or you may have a straight hose barb like this. So for those that are like on the 15 to 20 Mustangs, we use a straight hose barb, and basically you're going to go from the inside on this, and you're going to go ahead and push it through from the inside, and it's going to pop right through. But on some of them, you see there's 90s installed here. You're going to use a 90, and you're going to push the 90 through, and I'm just going to demonstrate that. So you really do have to have grease on this because it's a very tight fit. And it's a tight fit for a good reason. We want a good seal. We don't want any air leak, and we don't want any movement. So you're going to go ahead and twist and push. There we go. Now that's really tight. So it did take a little effort, as you can see. And on the inside here, pull that straight down, and you want to make sure your grommet is still seated properly. You can look around, you can see this one here pinched just slightly here. So you're going to need to push that back out. That's easily done. There we go. Now it's nice and seated there properly. And that thing is going nowhere. So that's pretty much it for the inlet pipe and the 90. You can see on the inside there, it's nice and flush. This one right here. Okay, so that's it for the elbow. And like I said, for the straight hose barb, you're gonna do the same thing, but you're just gonna reach inside here and you're gonna push it through from the inside, and it's gonna pop right through. All right, thanks for watching.